In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for your social media strategy fast and easy. Imagine having the power to predict the next big topic in your industry or brand. Google Trends is a free tool that can help you identify what people around the world are interested in right now. It's like having a window into global thinking. So let's dive right into it and unlock this incredible tool for your social media strategy. To begin your journey with Google Trends, open your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Hit the search button, and you should see Google Trends as the first result. When you see it, go ahead and click on that link, which will take you directly to the homepage of Google Trends. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore button. This powerful feature allows you to see what's trending at any given moment. By clicking on it, you will be able to delve into a world of data about trending searches and the latest topics that are capturing attention worldwide. It's a fantastic way to get started and familiarize yourself with the platform. Now, it's time to brainstorm some social media keywords. Think about the topics or hashtags that are important in your niche. Whether it's Instagram marketing, TikTok trends, social media tips, or any other topic that aligns with your strategy, you'll want to keep these keywords handy as they will be integral for your research. With your list in hand, enter one of these keywords into the search bar on Google Trends. As you type, Google Trends will begin to present an interest over time graph. This graph is a goldmine of information. It shows you whether interest in your keyword is rising, stable, or on a decline. Press Enter to fully engage this powerful feature and view the trends chart. At the top of the results page, you'll notice filters for location and time. Use the location filter to target your specific market, whether that's a particular country or on a global scale. Adjust the time range to the past 12 months to identify current trends, or expand it to the past 5 years to explore long-term interest. Scrolling further down on the results page, you'll find sections for related topics and related queries. These sections are invaluable as they reveal broader trends or connected topics that people are searching for, like best TikTok hashtags 2025. Use these insights as a springboard for content ideas and to fine-tune your campaigns. Take it a step further by comparing multiple keywords. Click plus compare to see how different social media topics stack up against each other. This feature will highlight which topics are currently trending the most, providing clarity on your strategic direction. Finally, take some time to analyze all the information presented. By patiently examining the data, you'll be empowered to craft a social media strategy that's not only informed, but positioned to tap into the interests and needs of your audience, ensuring your content remains relevant and engaging.